Are you familiar with the 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering how to interpret the various symbols and alerts? In this guide, we'll explore the key features and how to respond to dashboard warnings for a smoother driving experience. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen display provides interactive controls, while the instrument cluster shows key vehicle information. Climate control system provides dual-zone comfort, maintaining ideal temperatures for both the driver and passengers. Air vents distribute climate-controlled air throughout the vehicle for passenger comfort. The steering wheel allows the driver to control the direction of the vehicle by turning the front wheels.
Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators.
Airbag warning light, ABS warning light, seat belt warning light, brake system warning light, electric parking brake light, fuel level sensor failure, warning light, charging system warning light, malfunction indicator lamp, door open warning light, oil pressure warning light, electric power steering warning light, electronic throttle control warning light, low fuel level warning light, oil temperature warning light, hood open warning light, liftgate open warning light, engine temperature warning light, e-save indicator light, vehicle security warning light, transmission temperature warning light, electronic stability control, active warning light, electronic stability control, off warning light, active lane management warning light, service active lane management warning light, service adaptive cruise control, low washer fluid warning light, 4WD low indicator light, electric mode indicator light, forward collision warning indicator light, traction battery coolant fluid level low warning light, traction battery failure warning light, adaptive cruise control set with target detected indicator light, adaptive cruise control set with no target detected indicator light, auto hold indicator light, rear seat unoccupied indicator light, service 4WD warning light, service forward collision warning, service stop start system warning light, tire pressure monitoring system warning light, cruise control set indicator light, air suspension fault warning light, headlights on indicator light, sport mode indicator light, stop start active indicator light, turn signal indicator lights, hill descent control indicator light, high beam indicator light, hybrid mode indicator light, select speed control indicator light, driver inattentiveness warning light, hybrid electric vehicle system service warning light, night vision suppressed indicator light, max regeneration indicator light, plug status fault warning light, torque limited warning light, night vision animal warning light, night vision pedestrian warning light, traffic sign recognition off light, hybrid electric vehicle system failure, warning light, sway bar indicator light, Traction battery cutoff warning light. Air suspension off-road 1 indicator. Light air suspension active indicator light. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.